Does Luke want to have lunch with Scott? No, that's not he wants. Luke doesn't want to have lunch with Scott. What does Luke want? Luke wants to meet with Scott. Does Luke wants to borrow money from Scott? No, Luke doesn't want to borrow money from Scott. What does Luke wants? Luke wants to meet Scott. Does Luke wants to have a meeting with Scott? Yes, that's correct. Luke wants to meet with Scott, which is the same thing as saying that Luke wants to have a meeting with Scott. To meet with someone means to have a meeting with someone. Does Luke think the meeting will last all day? No, Luke doesn't think the meeting will last all day. How long does he think the meeting will last? He thinks the meeting will last about 3 hours. Does he think the meeting will last more than 4 hours? No, he doesn't think the meeting will last more than 4 hours. How long does he think the meeting will last? He thinks the meeting will last about 3 hours. Does Scott have time for meetings this week? No, Scott doesn't have time for meetings this week. He is very busy. Is Scott a little busy or very busy this week? Scott is very busy this week. When the meeting between Luke and Scott takes place this week? No, the meeting between Luke and Scott will not take place this week. When will the meeting take place? The meeting will take place next week. Is it true that the meeting will take place next week instead of this week? Yes, it's true. The meeting will take place next week instead of this week. Why will the meeting take place next week instead of this week? Well, the meeting will take place next week instead of this week because Scott is very busy this week. Will Luke be in the office on Monday? Yes, he will. Luke will be in the office on Monday. What about Scott? Will Scott be in the office on Monday? No, he won't. Scott won't be in the office on Monday. Who won't be in the office on Monday? It's Scott. Scott won't be in the office on Monday. Is it true that Scott will be absent from work on Monday? Yes, that's true. Scott will be absent from work on Monday. Can they set up the meeting on Monday? No, they cannot set up the meeting on Monday. Why can they set up the meeting on Monday? Well, they can set up the meeting on Monday because Scott will be in the office. He's be on vacation. Will Luke be on vacation next week? No, Luke won't be on vacation next week. Who wins on vacation next week? Scott will be on vacation next week. Will be on vacation for 5 days? No, he won't be on vacation for 5 days. It is going to be a short vacation. How many days? When he be on vacation, he'll be on vacation for 3 days. Will Scott be in the office on Monday? No, Scott won't be in the office on Monday. Does that mean they can't set up the meeting on Monday. Yes, that's exactly right. That means they can set up the meeting on Monday. What about Tuesday? Can they set up the meeting on Tuesday? No, they still can't set up the meeting on Tuesday. Why can't they set up the meeting on Tuesday? Well, they can set up the meeting on Tuesday because Scott will be in the office. Who will be absent from work on Tuesday? It's Scott. Scott will be absent from work on Tuesday. Will Scott be back on Wednesday? No, he won't. Scott will be back on Wednesday. When will Scott be back? Scott will be back on Thursday. Will Scott be absent from work on Thursday? No, Scott will be absent from work on Thursday. He will be in the office. Does that mean they can set up the meeting on Tuesday? On Thursday? Unfortunately, no. They still can set up the meeting on Tuesday. Why can't they set up the meeting on Thursday? Well, they can set up the meeting on Thursday because Luke will be in the office. He has a doctor's appointment that day. Who has a doctor's appointment on Thursday? It's Luke. Luke has a doctor's appointment on Thursday. Does Scott have any doctor appointment next week? No, Scott doesn't have any doctor appointment next week. Tell me again, why can't they set up the meeting on Thursday? They can set up the meeting on Thursday because Luke has a doctor appointment that day, so they won't be in the office. Will Luke be in the office on Friday? Yes, he will. Luke will be in the office on Friday. What about Scott? Will Scott be in the office on Friday as well? Yes, Scott will be in the office on Friday as well. Can they set up the meeting on Friday? Yes, they can set up the meeting that day. Will both Luke and Scott be in the office on Friday? Yes, they will. Both Luke and Scott will be in the office on Friday. Can they set up the meeting on Friday? Yes, they can. Both Luke and Scott will be in the office on Friday, so they can set up the meeting that day.